Welcome to Math Simplified for 9th Standard, Exercise 7.1, Question 1 to 5, Area of Triangles and Quadrilaterals. Today we are going to start the 7th chapter, Mensuration. It is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of areas and volumes of different kinds of geometrical objects. Okay, so today specifically we are going to study area of a triangle. We already know one formula for the area of triangle, that is area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 base into height. You have done many sums on this. Today we are going to study a new formula, that is Heron's formula, where the area of a triangle is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c square units. A, B, C are the length of the sides of the triangle. Okay, and s is the semi-perimeter, that is the sum of the sides divided by 2. We know that the sum of the sides is perimeter of a triangle. So perimeter divided by 2 is the semi-perimeter S of the triangle. So if you know these values A, B, C and S, you can find the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Okay. In an equilateral triangle, A is equal to B is equal to C. That is, all the sides are equal. So area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 upon 4 into A square. Please memorize this formula also, because you will get sums on this. So in this exercise, they will ask you also area of the quadrilateral. In this case, you should divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. Find the area of the triangles separately and then add it. You will get the area of the quadrilateral. We will do sums on this. It will be clear then. Exercise 7.1, question 1. Using Heron's formula, find the area of a triangle whose side measures 10 cm, 24 cm, 26 cm. So first write down Heron's formula. Area of a triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. A, B, C, they have given A is equal to 10, B is equal to 24, C is equal to 26. So find out S, add A plus B plus C, then divide by 2, you will get S. S here is 30. So now you have A, B, C and S. You have to substitute in this formula, you will get the area. So here it is, S is 30, 30 into S minus A, that is 10, into 30 minus 24, that is B, into 30 minus 26, that is C. 30 minus 10 is 20, 30 minus 24 is 6, 30 minus 26 is 4. So square root of this. Now here you should be careful. Do not multiply these numbers, because the number will become very big and it will become difficult to find the square root. Instead, you should factorize it. So, and try to write it in the square form like this. Square indices. Okay, so here 30 I am going to write as 10 into 3, 20 as 10 into 2, 6 I leave it, 4 also. So here you can see this becomes 10 square. So this expression is equal to square root of 10 square. Now 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 6 is called 6 square. So write down 6 square like this. 4 we are going to rewrite as 2 square. See, this whole expression I am writing it in square form. So it will be easy to find the square root now. So what is the square root of this? It will be 10 into 6 into 2. You have to divide the indices by 2 to find the square root. So here it is. So 10 into 6 into 2 is 120 centimeter square or square centimeter. Be careful, you should write the unit always. Area will be always in terms of square. Okay, so here is the answer. Next sum. Here are the values of A, B and C. A is 1.8, B is 8, C is 8.2. First let's find out S. S is here 1.8 plus 8 plus 8.2 divided by 2. When you add this, you get 18 upon 2, that is equal to 9. Find out the values of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, like this. So you get 9 minus 1.8, 7.2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 8.2 is 0.8. So you got these values. Now let us substitute. So this will be here it is. I've simplified it further. The square part, writing in indices also, I have written it like this. So here it is, S is 9, S minus A is 7.2, S minus B is 1, S minus C is 0.8. So if you multiply 9 with 0.8, you get 7.2. 7.2, leave it as it is. So this whole expression is now 7.2 the whole square. So if you do the square root of this, you will get the answer as 7.2 square meter. So this portion, always try to write it in the square form. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C should be always in this kind of indices in the square form. The sides of a triangular ground are 22 meters, 120 meters, 122 meters. Find the area and cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square. So again, first write down the formula, Heron's formula. Now write down the values of A, B and C. Okay, find S, add up these values, divide by 2. So here it is, we get 264 divided by 2 is equal to 132. Now find out these values, S minus A. This is S. 132 minus 22, 110. 132 minus 120, 12. 132 minus 122, 10. So these are the S minus A, B, C values. Okay, now substitute here. This is S, 132 into S minus A, 110. S minus B, 12. S minus C, 10. Okay, now factorize this. 132 is 11 into 12. 110 is 11 into 10. 12, leave it as it is. 10, leave it as it is. So here you can see this becomes 11 square. This is 12 square and 10 square. So here it is. Square root of this will be 11 into 12 into 10. This is equal to 1320 square meters. Now the rate of leveling is rupees 20 per square meter. So total cost will be 20 multiplied by 1320. You get rupees 26,400. Question 3. The perimeter of a triangular plot is 600 meter. If the sides are in the ratio 5:12:13, find the area of the plot. So here it is given, the length is given in terms of the ratio. So first we will multiply it with x. So let A, the first length, be 5x, second B be 12x, C be 13x. So here we have to find this value of x. So here they have given the perimeter as 600 meter. So you can add up these values and it will be 600 meter. So A plus B plus C is equal to 600. That is 5x plus 12x plus 13x is equal to 600. Simplify it. You get the value of x as 20. Now you should substitute here. So the actual length will be A is equal to 5 into 20, that is 100. A is equal to 100. B is equal to 12 into 20, 240. C is equal to 13 into 20, 260. So you got the A, B, C. Now find out S. Add this, divide by 2, you get 300 as S. So now you have A, B, C and S. We have to substitute in Heron's formula. So find out S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, like this. So this value becomes 300. S into S minus A, 200. S minus B, 60. S minus C, 40. So here. Now let's write it in square form or the powers of 2, like you know. So here it is 10 raised to 6. There are 6 zeros. 10 raised to 6. 3 2s are 6 and here is 6. So 6 square. 4 we will write it as 2 square. Okay. Now here square root of this will be 10 raised to 3. 6 divided by 2. 3. Here 6 will, square root of 6 square is 6. Square root of 2 square is 2. Multiply this, you get 12,000 square meters as the answer. Find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So they have given us the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle all the three sides will be equal. So the length of each side will be 180 divided by 3, because perimeter is the sum of the three sides and all the three sides are equal. So 180 divided by 3 is 60 centimeter. So each side of the equilateral triangle is 60 centimeter. Okay. So now the area of the equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into a square. That is 60 square. Substitute here, simplify it. Root 3 will be 1.732. Memorize this value of root 3 and then you multiply it. You get the value 1558.8 square centimeter is the area of the equilateral triangle. Question 5. An advertisement board is in the form of an isosceles triangle with perimeter 36 meter and each of the equal sides are 13 meter. So in an isosceles triangle, two sides will be equal. Okay, and this equal sides are 13 meter. So let us take A as 13, then B also will be 13 because it is an isosceles triangle. Now C we do not know. Okay, instead they have only given the perimeter, that is the sum of all the three sides. Okay, so the third side will be perimeter minus the sum of these two sides, is it not? Okay, this will be 26. 36 minus 26 is 10. So the third side we found out, it is 10. Now let us find S. A plus B plus C upon 2. You get 18. Find out the values of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, 5, 5, 5, 8 and substitute here. So here it is 18 is S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Write it down. Okay, 18 is 9 into 2. Okay, so 9 we know is 3 square. So we'll leave it as it is. So 2 here, 2 into 2. 8 we are writing as 4 into 2. So 4 square. So here it is 3 square into 5 square into 4 square. So square root will be 3 into 5 into 4 is equal to 60 square meters. Rate of painting is 17.50 per square meter. So the total cost will be 60 into 17.50, that is equal to 1050.